So like most remote controls, the main problem is the batteries. So first of all, you can take the batteries out and check the ends. They tend to become oxidized, and then put it back in. And if you just twist the batteries around, that will hopefully increase the contact between the two. Now then check out the connection. If it still doesn't work, then you can put new batteries in and see if that solves it. Now you can also check the connection itself. They might also be causing problems. Another problem is that the buttons can be pushed down, so make sure they're not pushed down. Check it carefully to make sure it's not being initiated all the time. Now another problem is the front. Now you can check on most remote controls using your phone, set it to camera, and then you'll be able to see the output from there. And that's it. So if you did get some value out of this video, then could you please share, like and subscribe. It really does help my channel to grow and for me to make more of these videos. So thank you again for watching.